This is the DualCore CVS101 chamber vacuum sealer, built for anyone who wants commercial-grade results at home. It features dual vacuum zones and a spacious 6-liter upper chamber that handles liquids, soups, powders, and everyday foods with ease. It works with smooth chamber bags, textured rolls, small pouches, and even larger bags that fit right inside. And for oversized rolls that don't fit the chamber, the independent lower work area handles out-of-chamber sealing without slowing down the workflow. This flexibility makes it a reliable tool for meal prep, sous-vide cooking, batch storage, and long-term preservation. It is versatile, it is practical, and it gives home users strong, dependable performance. Power is another highlight. The 12-inch dual seal bar produces wide, airtight seams that hold up under pressure. A 230-watt DualCore motor drives a 4-pump dry system, delivering fast vacuum cycles and strong suction without oil, mess, or maintenance. Every seal feels solid, and every cycle runs smoothly. The vacuum marinating mode adds even more value. It pushes flavors deep into food, up to 5 times faster than traditional marinating. Users can seal meats, vegetables, and seafood in bags or compatible containers using the external port. Liquids stay controlled and contained, keeping the pump clean while speeding up meal preparation. It's efficient, clean, and made to enhance both speed and flavor. The design also makes a difference. The angled top panel keeps controls easy to see, while the wide bag clamp holds pouches flat for consistent, reliable sealing. A built-in cutter lets users size bags quickly and accurately. The sealing bar heats fast, supporting continuous batch work without long waiting times. The soft close damping hinge helps the lid lower smoothly, reducing strain during longer sessions. Everything is made to streamline workflow and keep the user comfortable. The controls allow full adjustment of vacuum and seal times for delicate foods, dense cuts, and different bag types. The upper chamber can vacuum seal mason jars directly, and the external port connects to canisters and valve bags. With custom cut bags and a clear countdown display, every cycle stays visible and predictable. The DualCore CVS101 goes even further with smart app integration. A quick scan identifies food types, shows nutrition info, logs sealing dates, and sends expiration reminders. It helps reduce waste, keeps storage organized, and makes planning meals simpler. Hardware and software work together to create a smarter kitchen routine. The result is a vacuum sealing experience that feels modern, powerful, and dependable. For anyone who wants fresher food, stronger seals, quicker marinating, and a machine built to last, the DualCore CVS101 delivers all of that with ease. It brings commercial performance into the home and turns everyday food storage into something faster, cleaner, and far more efficient.